We stand at the precipice, a precipice not unlike the jagged cliffs overlooking a churning ocean. Cathie Wood, a modern-day Cassandra, prophesies a market crash of 47%. Panic, like a rogue wave, threatens to sweep us off our feet. This, my friends, is the crucible. It is in the fires of such uncertainty that the true worth of our financial philosophy is tested. Epictetus, a pillar of Stoicism, reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. The coming storm, be it a hurricane or a gentle rain shower, is outside our control. But within us lies the unwavering power of reason, the ability to react with virtue, not with the primal urge to abandon ship. Fear, a primal and necessary emotion, can be a treacherous companion on this voyage. It clouds judgment, leading to impulsive decisions fueled by panic. Seneca, the Roman Stoic philosopher, warns, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Let us not succumb to the phantoms of our own minds. Remember the stories of sailors who mistook fog banks for land, steering their ships onto perilous shoals. History, a vast and ever-churning ocean, offers solace. Every market correction, every crash, has eventually been followed by a return to calmer waters. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, another Stoic giant, implored us to look back over the long sweep of past time. Recall the dot-com bubble, the Great Recession. Did the sky truly fall? No. Those who held firm weathered the storm and emerged stronger, their ships repaired and ready to sail on. Cathie Wood, with her bold prediction, presents an opportunity not to blindly follow, but to embark on a journey of self-discovery. This is a time to turn inward, to revisit the sea charts of our financial philosophy. Have we built a diversified portfolio, a sturdy vessel capable of navigating even the roughest seas? Imagine for a moment the Stoic investor. Unaffected by the pronouncements of profits on the shore, they move with a measured pace, their sails adjusted to catch the prevailing winds. Their portfolio, a reflection of their temperament, is a balanced blend of assets designed to weather any storm. This is not to say we should be passive bystanders. Let us not confuse Stoicism with apathy. Instead, we must channel our energy into actions that lie within our control. This is the time to review our navigation charts, to ensure they align with our risk tolerance and our long-term destination. Have we succumbed to the allure of chasing after elusive, shimmering mirages in the distance? Those fleeting islands that promise quick riches but often end in disappointment as we run aground on the shoals of volatility. Remember the words of Nassim Nicholas Taleb, a modern-day Stoic scholar. The biggest problem with people is not that they don't know. The problem is that they know so many things that ain't so. Let us not be swayed by the siren song of easy riches. Instead, let us focus on what truly lies within our control, our knowledge, our discipline, and our ability to think critically, to discern the true course from the treacherous currents of misinformation. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, reminds us, virtue is the only good. In the realm of personal finance, this virtue translates to financial prudence. It is the act of living within our means, of building a sturdy weatherproof cabin aboard our vessel, and of investing with a long-term perspective, ensuring we have the provisions to navigate the vast ocean of time. The coming market gyrations, whatever form they may take, present an opportunity to fortify our vessel with this virtue. Let us use this time to educate ourselves further, to delve deeper into the nautical charts of finance. The more we understand the currents, the tides, and the prevailing winds, the less susceptible we are to the whispers of fear. Remember, we are not alone on this voyage. A vast crew of Stoic investors, past and present, stand beside us. Marcus Aurelius, facing the barbarian hordes at the gates of Rome, found solace in Stoic philosophy. He reminds us, our life is what our thoughts make it. Let us cultivate thoughts of resilience, of reason, and unwavering trust in our well-researched financial plan. The market may roar like a tempest, it may whimper like a dying breeze, but we, the Stoic investors, will weather the storm. This is not a call for blind optimism. It is a call to arms, a call to fortify ourselves with the knowledge and temperament needed to navigate the coming squalls. Remember, a good sailor weathers the storm not by abandoning ship, but by battening down the hatches, by trusting in their seamanship, and by holding fast to a course charted with reason. Cathie Wood, in mentioning 3 stocks to buy, offers a glimmer of light amidst the storm clouds. However, let us not mistake this for a treasure map leading to buried riches. Instead, let us use it as a prompt for introspection. Perhaps these three stocks represent a specific asset class currently undervalued by the fearful masses. Or maybe they represent a particular industry poised for growth despite the impending market correction. The key takeaway is not the specific companies themselves, but the underlying principle. Fear, in its indiscriminate grip, often throws out the baby with the bathwater. It is during these periods of panic that opportunities arise for the astute investor, the one who can separate the signal from the noise. Here, then, are the tenets that guide the stoic investor on this tempestuous voyage. Knowledge is power. Dedicate yourself to continuous learning. Devour books on investing, seek out the wisdom of financial mentors, and stay abreast of market trends. The more you know, the better equipped you will be to navigate the coming storm. Acknowledge your emotions, but do not let them be the captain of your ship. Fear and greed are powerful forces that can lead to impulsive decisions. Instead, cultivate a sense of emotional detachment, allowing reason to chart your course. Stick to your investment plan, even when the seas grow rough. Avoid the temptation to make knee-jerk reactions based on market fluctuations. Remember, you are in this for the long haul. Do not put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes, mitigating risk and ensuring your portfolio remains buoyant, even in the choppiest waters.